drowning in a sea of notifications and repetitive tasks. Today, we're diving into how Zapier can be your personal productivity superhero, automating those tedious tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's get started. First, head over to Zapier.com and either sign up for a free account or log in. If you already have one, Zapier's free plan is great for getting started, allowing you to create the limited number of zaps. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Zapier dashboard. Click on the Create Zap button, which is typically big and bold. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll need to define your trigger. This is the event that starts your automation. For example, let's say you want to automatically save all your new Gmail attachments to Google Drive. Search for Gmail in the app selection. Select Gmail and choose New Attachment as the trigger event. You might need to connect your Gmail account to Zapier at this point. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Next, it's time to set up the action. This is what you want to happen. After the trigger occurs, search for Google Drive and select it. Select Google Drive and choose Upload File as the action event. Again, you'll likely need to connect your Google Drive account. Now comes the crucial part, data mapping. Zapier will show you fields from your Gmail attachment, like the file name and the file content. Map these fields to the corresponding fields in Google Drive's upload file settings. This tells Zapier where to put the data from your email. Before you activate your Zap, always test it. Zapier will send the test attachment to your Google Drive to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test fails, review your settings and try again. Once the test is successful, give your Zap a descriptive name, like Gmail attachment to Google Drive, and toggle the switch to turn it on. Congratulations, you've just created your first Zap. Now you're ready to automate even more of your digital life and reclaim your time. Explore other app integrations and discover how Zapier can supercharge your personal productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks.